the statewide tornado drill. The drill will begin at 10 a.m. and will conclude at 10:30 a.m. The drill will not trigger the emergency alert system, nor will it trigger cell phones. There will be no concluding message from the National Weather Service or other participating agencies. Assume the drill is completed when you have completed your agency's goals and activities. At this time, schools, nursing homes, churches, libraries, and other agencies participating in today's drill should initiate those activities. Once again, the drill will conclude when you have completed your activities. The National Weather Service and the State of Florida Division of Emergency Management thank you for your participation in today's drill. The surf zone forecast.